Hey guys, this is Tech Boy 101. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make two videos in one screen. One of them will be picture by picture. I've imported a line writer video of mine from a while ago, and it's just a regular old clip. I've just muted it, nothing special about it. So the special bits come in when we get the next clip. So let me just do that.
A few moments later.
So here I've got our standard old 1-minute timer, and what I need to do is drag it on and place it right on top here. So right now it just, when you play the video, it only shows the timer because that's on top. But that's not what we want to do. We want to show the line writer but the timer as well. So how we do that is we click on the one on top, the timer in this case, and we go to this thing that looks, it says video overlay settings. It's like two screens over each other. So when we click that, we get these new settings. And we can click this that says cutaway, and when we click it, we have many options. Today we're going to be using picture in picture. So when we click picture in picture, we can now see our line writer, which is already a sign that we are doing this properly. Now that we've got this picture in picture, we can drag it along. So right now I want it to be kind of off the track so you can still see the line writer. So I'm going to drag it to be down at the bottom because I feel that that's a nice place. I could also size it up and size it down. I'm going to keep it like that. And that should be fine. Yeah, that's really cool. But I actually, if you've watched that video where I taught you about reversing videos, I'm actually going to reverse this into a stopwatch. Okay, so now I've reversed the video, and it's actually a stopwatch. It's the same video, but reversed. Check out the reverse video tutorial to find out more about how you can do this yourself. Next, the line writer clip is only 39.8 seconds, but this is 1 whole minute. So I'm going to split this clip, just like that, and get rid of that much. So now we have got ourselves a stopwatch at the side. That's really cool, and it's a really cool function. Anyone who wants to put a timer if they're making a fitness video, an exercise video, any sort of video. Yep, that's pretty much it. That's really it for picture-in-picture techniques, and that's all I've got. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, click that like button, and if you learned something new, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of my new videos.